if you're trying to do zoom in effect in CapCut, this tutorial review will teach you how you can add zoom in effect in video with CapCut. So first of all, create a new project and import the video. And now select the video clip. And here you'll find this keyframe option. So you have to select the starting part of your video and tap on this icon to add a keyframe. And then I'm going to playing a video here, and now this point I want to zoom in my video. So I'm going to adding here another keyframe, and then I'm going to pinching my finger to zoom the video. And now if I play the video, here we can see the zoom in effect has been added. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe tutorial reviewer. See you in the next video.